Now tell me, how stinking cute is this? It is brand spanking new. It's got chickens all over it. So this was at the thrift store today. And it comes with a little like makeup bag and this little matching wallet. It's hard to do one-handed. But I thought that this was absolutely fun. It is great. And I bought it because I thought that my neighbor lady needed a gift. She has chickens and we get eggs from her. And I used to have chickens too. Loved them. But we don't have any. We had them for like 14 years and we don't have any right now. Maybe one day again soon. But, you know. How cute. And I hate to say, but I only paid $8 for the whole thing. All 3 pieces. And I did a Google image search, and I saw something on Amazon with 2 of the pieces, and it was like $44.95. So I thought, what a great deal. And I think she's going to love it. I really do. I hope so anyway. And then speaking of chickens, here's a rooster that I picked up. Which day was it? Maybe Tuesday. I think I gave $1 or $1.50 for this guy. And he's like kind of a plaster or I think he's ceramic. But I thought he was kind of cool, and I think somebody will love him. And I picked up this little brass duck with the umbrella. Okay, there we go. It's a little better. I love it. And also, I picked this up today. It's a tin, and it's got birds on it. I may end up keeping this. I don't know. It's kind of pretty. I don't see a maker on it, but it was only $1. Also today, I picked this up. And it has a neon light. I paid $5, and they said it works. I need to plug it in, but if they tell me it works, I believe them. They don't mislead me. Well, they don't mislead anybody. So I thought that is a pretty cool score. I'll probably put this in my kitchen booth at Country Classics. I liked that a lot. Yeah, I didn't think that the time worked, the clock part, but it needed a battery. So the light plugs in, but the clock takes a battery, so that's pretty dang cool. Needs to be wiped down. But I like that. Pretty nice. For $5, heck yeah. And for $1, I picked up this Madonna. And I think she's quite lovely. She does have issues. But, I mean, come on. She's beautiful for $1. I don't know. You know, it's heavy. I don't think it's chalkware. It may be. I don't know. It's painted awful well for chalkware. I think it's just a heavy ceramic. Love her, and so will someone else. And I also picked up these brass, well, no, they're not brass. They're metal. They're like a pot metal, I guess. Candle holders for the walls. Not my walls, but somebody's walls. But I thought these would even be pretty just out like on a porch or a garden area with some solar lights. But they were only $1 each. They're heavy duty. Then I got this guy this week, and he's actually been at the thrift store for months. And they had him marked $10 for the longest time. And then I saw he was marked down to $5, and I was like, you know, for $5, he's going to come home with me. I'm going to look him up, see if I can find anything out about him. Because they had on there antique bear. I mean, of course he's not an antique, but he's certainly vintage. And then they had these shoe, what do you call them? I don't know that they're stretchers, but they keep your shoes from like shrinking up, or yeah, I guess they're shoe stretchers. But I liked the colors a lot, and they'd be cute sticking out of a vase or a jar or a pitcher, crock, whatever, or just sitting out. And then they're magnetic, so you could always magnetize something to them. So that is what I picked up this week. It's only Thursday, but I'm taking tomorrow off, and it's my mom's birthday, so we're going to go do something. Maybe it will involve thrifting or junking or antiquing. If so, I'll share. All of the sounds of the morning. It's going to be a great day. Hi, this is Michelle with Pummel's Antiquities. Welcome to my channel. I'm excited. It's a Friday, and I have taken a vacation day because it's also my mom's birthday, and I want to go do something with her. We actually don't have any plans. I'm going to go pick her up and see what she wants to do and go from there. So hopefully I'll be checking in with you during the day. Look at how pretty. The dogwoods are just starting to bloom. And the contrast between the dogwood and the redbud, oh my goodness, I think it's gorgeous. Look at this. I love it. Just beautiful through here. We've got the spring green and the beautiful red buds. It looks like it's blurring out. But it's gorgeous. Okay, we're at the bin barn, and it's $10 day because it's Friday. So I don't know what we'll find, but we'll see. Okay, I wanted to share what I picked up at the bargain bin in Bolivar. This is a Revlon, I'm not sure what it's called. I threw away the box. But it's a blow dryer, and it has different settings: off, cool, low, and high. And I tried this yesterday, and it works really good. I like it. It's $10, and that was a heck of a buy. I'll show you the other thing that I got. This I was very excited about. This is made by Chi, and it is a hair curler, and it is wonderful. I have a black one that I use every day, and I've had it for probably a year and a half, and I absolutely love it. This was $30 because it did not have its box, but it works perfectly, and I love the color. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's such a pretty color. My black one has been just wonderful. Let me show you how this works. Hold on. Okay, here it is. It was $30. I'm going to go ahead and take that off now. Let me show you how it works. You can set it for whatever temp you want by using these buttons down here. And then it has a timer that you can set. This says it's $3.95 for 15 seconds. And it'll beep when it's done. I hardly ever leave it on the whole time because I'm very impatient. When I curl my hair, it usually takes me 5 or 6 minutes and I'm ready for the day. It holds, you know, kind of wavy for most of the day. And here we go. Now I will say the buttons on this one that I got at the bargain bin are on the opposite side of what the one that I bought from Target online. But it's okay, I can figure it out. This is the side that you want to put closest to your head, and you will not burn yourself and your hair will not get tangled in it. So here we go. Let me figure out which way we're turning. Okay, there's what I want. So you just take a strip. I'm looking, I don't need to look. Okay. You put it across there. Just let your hair go down. And it's wrapping. Just leave it for a sec. And voila. These are wonderful. Wonderful. I know this isn't vintage. I'm not telling you anything, you know, about vintage, but I know a lot of my viewers are ladies, and sometimes we just want a really good curling iron that's fast and easy and won't burn you, and you don't have to like twirl your hair and all that good stuff. Very easy to get like in the back. You know, I always had a hard time curling my hair in the back, and this is just super stinking easy. And you can make it as curly as you want, or if you don't want it real curly, just do your ends. That's usually what I do, about midway. But you just get in there and you figure out how you want it. But love it. Glad we stopped at the bargain bin. 30 bucks well spent. Okay, now we're at the Cracker Barrel. All right, Freakin Antiquin. And they're having a tent sale.
The bird crap.
Mom wanted me to film all the bird crap on my car. I washed my car, and then when we went to Cracker Barrel, I had to park under a tree, and look what I got.
That's how we carried our skates.
Really?
Yep.
$10. I like that.
That's cute. See Jason that.
Oh
When she
gosh.
was younger. Mandy wouldn't have let her wear it.
She could probably fit in it now.
I think that's cute.
No, their noisemakers don't work anymore. That face. How much is that face? 24. 1970s Gerber. It's cute. Baby doll. Original booties. Oh. Whoops. That. Oh, its eyes move. Mm-hmm.
It's cute.
It is cute. Like these girls. somebody, I feel like they've been repainted. Fantastic but fragile. 1960s nuns music box plays Dominique. $12. And then there's a monk. These are really good prices on the watering cans. That is fun. There's puppy faces. Yep and yep. I think I need this rack. It's only $10. And I can imagine black and white photos magnetized to that. I got this at Freakin Antiquin. I guess they make these into postcards. People's photos. Edgar Prawl, 1909. I like that. And I got these cuties. It says January 23rd, 1923. I can't even read that. What's that say? Maybe you can see it better than I can. But they made that into a postcard also. So I got those two postcards for $1.50. And then I got several tin types. Got this little baby. Looks like they blushed her cheeks a bit. But that's a tin type. And so is this. They're pretty adorable. And I got these, I think they were 2 for $3. Look at those lovely ladies. And they've blushed their cheeks also. But how wonderful are these? Now he's got a little bit of rusting or pitting on his face there, but that's okay. They still look great. Focus. There we go. Yeah, so these were $1.50 each. And I absolutely love them. I love how they went in and colored their cheeks on these. But yeah, where can you buy tin types for $1.50? I don't think you can anywhere else. They look kind of grumpy, but I still love them. Look at that outfit. Wow. And I also picked up that Playtex rack that I showed you on in one of the videos. So, not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. Maybe put it in the bathroom and hang things from it, or magnetize these tintypes to it. That would be an idea there. Might do that. We're at Hobby Lobby now, and I love this. Well, it's a piece of wood with print on it. It reminds me of a picture I took years ago when I had baby chicks. I really like it. This is what I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I got one for me and I got one for Mom. They are huge. I thought, while I'm sitting on my porch watching the hummingbirds, I won't have to get up every 5 minutes to fill my mug. It's huge. I need to get some fresh solar lights from Dollar General. Redo that chandelier. I know. It's okay. Horses, they're just, yeah. I don't know how they're not broke. I bet our house is just, I bet the siding's destroyed. everywhere. Look at that snapping turtle. Is not gorgeous or what? I love this color. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at all these pansies. They look like they're smiling. So pretty. Oh, some of my favorite petunias are these black. I love them. They've got some hanging baskets out. I always like getting the red for the hummingbirds. Beautiful. Charlie, what are you doing, sis? There's Charlie. Everything looks so pretty. They're just starting to get everything out, and I'm excited. Come on, babe. Looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we are at the top of the dam. I want you to see these lilac bushes. They are so beautiful. I wish you could smell them. Ugh, they really are wonderful. Here, I'm gonna look. You see how tall they are? They are so tall. But this time of year, this is like one of my favorite spots. Just because of these lilacs. Wow, it's just a gorgeous day. There's another huge lilac bush. And these really smell good too. Look how pretty these are. There's so many different varieties. It's just amazing. I love that red bud. Here's some horseshoe flowers that we made several years back. I just love the way these smell. I am way too close. Sorry about that. I transplanted all these several years ago, and they just keep getting thicker and more beautiful. Sleepy little gnome and some mushrooms.